Welcome back. Ever wondered why some organisations not only survive, but actually flourish in chaos, while others flounder? Today we're diving deep into the realm of leadership amidst complexity and uncertainty. By the end of the video, you should have some tools to transform challenges into unparalleled opportunities for your organisation. Curious about the secret sauce of effective leadership in a VUCA world? How about the true role of a leader when faced with wicked problems? Stay with me and let's unravel these mysteries together, at least a little bit. It's undeniable that today's organisational leaders confront challenges of unprecedented complexity. But what's fascinating is how leadership plays an integral role in not just managing, but thriving amidst these challenges. So let's begin by taking a look at the complex, chaotic, difficult, and sometimes wicked challenges, these are problems and opportunities, that organisations face. Such challenges are deeply entrenched within dynamic systems. They evolve continuously because there's lots of things going on, there's lots of variables in them, and there are lots of stakeholders involved, often as not. They're layered, and every layer presents a new dimension of the problem. But here's a perspective shift. What if the problems aren't just problems, but are indicators of where leadership is needed the most? You see, leadership isn't about having all the answers. I certainly didn't when I was in leadership roles. It's about guiding teams through uncharted territory, understanding the landscape, and building resilience. Leadership is about vision, courage, and adaptability. In dealing with organisational complexities, a leader's role is to first and foremost provide clarity. While you might not immediately find solutions, articulating and framing the problem can often pave the way. Then there's the aspect of fostering collaboration. Complex problems often require multifaceted solutions. This means bringing together diverse teams, each bringing a unique perspective to the table and leading them towards a unified goal. Let's also consider the traits that leaders have to be aware of, as they can both aid and hinder the navigation process. First, uncertainty. While it's natural to seek clarity, a leader's mettle is tested for sure when there's ambiguity. The ability to make decisions even when the path isn't clear is a valuable trait. Next, fear of failure. It's the leader's role to cultivate a culture where failure isn't penalised but seen as a learning opportunity. In complex scenarios, not every decision will yield success, but each will surely provide insights. And we can't forget ego and perfectionism. While confidence is crucial in leadership, there's a fine line between confidence and ego. Leaders must be open to feedback and be agile in their approach. Waiting for the perfect solution might mean missing opportunities. As we navigate these sorts of challenges, remember the role of leadership isn't just about tackling problems, but identifying and seizing opportunities. Complexity and chaos, whilst challenging, can often open doors to innovation, new ventures, and growth. Leaders play a pivotal role in steering organisations through this maze of complexity, chaos, and opportunity. Here's what this entails: visionary thinking. Leaders must always have a forward-looking perspective, anticipating market shifts and organisational leads, and crafting strategies that are both proactive and adaptive. Embracing adaptability. Rigid, hierarchical structures can stifle innovation. Leaders must foster a culture of adaptability, encouraging teams to be agile and responsive to change. Empowering teams. Empowered teams are more likely to take ownership, innovate, and navigate challenges much more effectively. And this means decentralizing decision-making where appropriate and fostering an environment of trust and collaboration. Continuous learning. With the business world in constant flux, a commitment to continuous learning, be it new management techniques, industry trends, or technological tools, is crucial. Stakeholder engagement. Engaging with, I must be a broken record on this one, I say it on almost every video, but nevertheless, engaging with stakeholders from employees to customers to investors ensures that leadership remains attuned to varying expectations, feedback, and needs. So, while the intricate dance of organisational complexity and chaos presents undeniable challenges, it also brings forth a plethora of opportunities. Effective leaders don't shy away from these challenges, but embrace them. They leverage them as catalysts for growth, innovation, and sustained success. If you've enjoyed the content of this video, please do give me a thumbs up, a like, please subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications about future content.